Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at simplifying cube roots. If you've completed previous videos, Intro to Cube Roots and Simplifying Square Roots, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So let a and b be numbers, and if we do the cube root of a times b, we get cube root a, cube root b, just like the square roots. And if we have cube root a over b, this is cube root a over cube root b for b non-zero. And we're going to use these properties today to simplify some cube roots. So example 1, cube root 16. We want to think in cubes now, not squares. When it was square roots, you think in squares. Cube roots, you want to think in cube. So we're going to divide that here as 8 times 2, because 8 is a cube. So if we cube root 8, cube root 2, cube root of 8 is 2, and then the cube root of 2 stays there as such. B, cube root of 216. So we got cube root 24 times 9. 24 is 8 times 3. So we notice 8 is a cube, and then 9 times 3 is a cube, 333, right? So we have cube root 8, cube root 27. This is 2, this is 3, 2 times 3, 6, like that. Cube root 625. We know we can divide that by 5, so we have 5 times 125. 125 is a cube, so we distribute our cube root. Cube root 125 is 5. Cube root of 5 stays there. D, cube root of 8 over 64. This is cube root 8 over cube root 64, which gives 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2, like that. Okay, practice 1. Go ahead and simplify these cube roots. Okay, we're back. Cube root 32, 8 times 4. Cube root 8, cube root 4. 2 is cube root 8 times cube root 4, like that. Cube root 5000. 1000 is a cube, so we have cube root 5 times cube root 1000. 10 times cube root 5, like that. C, cube root 686. We know that it's even, so we got 2 times 343. 343 is a cube, so we cube each. And cube root 343 is 7, cube root 2 is 2, like that. D, cube root of 1000 over 64. So this is cube root 1000 over cube root 64, which is 10 over 4, which simplifies to 5 over 2. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.